Okay, let's start with the question. Read, anyone? Read the question.
Alpha Limited issued 5,000 shares of rupees 100 each.
5,000 share at the rate of 100. Okay.
Each at par. The amount payable was as under: rupees 25 on application, rupees 25 on allotment, rupees 25 on first call, and 30 on final call.
25 on first call.
20 on.
Okay. Like that. You are issuing here. Okay. On the time of issued, don't write anything. First see on book. Okay. On the time of issued, first we are going to fill the all amount. What amount we will receive. Okay, beta. What amount we will received. Okay. Then multiply the amounts. Just multiply the amount. We are issuing 5,000 share beta. Okay. Multiply with the 25. What amount will come? 120. And then 120. And here 80. Beta. 1 lakh and 1,50,000. This amount we will receive. If any other case is not coming, any problem is not coming, then sure or certain we will going to receive this amount. Okay, next beta.
The company did not make any final call.
Final call they are not made. Then cut this amount. Okay, that amount we are not going to receive because final call not made by the company. Okay, next.
Next, a holder of 100 shares failed to pay the allotment and first call money.
Allotment and first call. So how we are going to just calculate the error? 100 share and not paying the allotment money. 25. It means 100 into 25. What amount is there? 2500. Less that amount 122 500. Okay. Then 100 share not paying the first call. First call 20 100 share. What amount is there, beta? It means 98. Okay, that amount we will receive. Okay, next.
Director fortified his shares and immediately
Before the forfeit, first we are going to do the entries, beta. Okay, now going to start the entries. Not going to start the entries. Okay, write down first entry. First entry, beta. Bank account debit to share application amount 1,25,000, 1,25,000. Okay, then share application account debit to share capital. Okay, same amount. Okay, then application. It's okay, beta? This both entries clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go for the next. Share allotment account debit to share capital. What about to say? 1,25,000, 1,25,000. Then receiving the amount, bank account debit, and then calls in beta error debit to share allotment. We are going to receive 1,25,000 this amount, but error 2,500, and what amount is going in downside in this table, that is 122,500 that we are receiving back. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now going for the first call. Then again share first call account debit to share capital, and then bank account debit calls in error account debit to share first call. Here 1 lakh, but we are receiving 98,000. 2,000 is error. Total amount is 1. Okay. Up to this, any problem? What? Up to this, any problem? No. Now we are going to forfeit the share, na? After the first call, they are going to forfeit the share, na? Before first call, they are not going to forfeit, na? After first call, then we are going to finish up to here. Then we are going to doing the entry of forfeiture. Okay, beta? It's okay. Clear? Now I am going to do the entry of forfeiture. Just see. Entry, I think remember the entries? Entries beta, share capital to share forfeiture, and then to what things not receiving, allotment and first call. Then allotment and first. Up to this is clear now. Entry is clear now. Now first share capital. In this share capital we are going to enter called up money. What? Called up money. And called up money beta 25, 25 and 20. This we are not going to call now. So means 25, 25, 20 means 70 rupees. 70 rupees. Okay. In forfeiture we are going to enter what we are received. In this share we have only received 25 rupees. It's clear or not? Yes. Only received 25 beta. Others to error 25, 25 into 100. 25. What we are not receiving? 25 and 20. 25, 20. Number of share beta. It's already coming equal. And if equal, then right. Otherwise, some problem. Again, I like to repeat this. Share capital. In this share capital, we are going to enter that money which we are going to called up money. Okay, beta? Called up money. And then share forfeiture, we are going to enter what money we are already received on that share which we are going to forfeit. Next allotment, what money we are not going to receive. First call, what we are not to receive. That we are going to enter. And then both sides is coming equal, debit and credit. Then it's okay, otherwise some problem is there. Reissued or not? Same case, reissued or not? Reissued. Just see how we are going to receive them. We are going to reissue in 6,500. Reissue in the bank account debit to share capital. But we are going to issue in 6,500. It means we are receiving in bank 6,500. But our share 7,000 beta. 70 to 100. Rate is what? 7,000. It means 5,000 loss that we are taking from where? Share forfeiture. Clear? Then share forfeiture balance we are going to utilize for what? For next reissue of the share. What type of loss they are going to get in on the time of the reissue of the share? Then we are going to utilize this forfeiture. After this entry, next one more entry is there. With the reissue, na? With the reissue, next one more entry is there or not? Remember, entry beta, share forfeiture account, debit to share capital reserve. What amount we are going to enter beta? Here forfeiture balance is 2,500. We are going to utilize 500. Difference amount is, answer is coming or not? See, answer is coming or not? Came? 2,000 forfeiture balance transferring. Came now? Copy or not? Do it fast, then I will go from the discussion. Done. Then beta. Fast beta. Okay. Go for the next. I'm going with one more question. Read the next question. Anyone? Who is finished that question? Go for reading the next question. I'm going to copy the question. Finished or not? Done? Okay, read the next question. See, question number beta? 20? Okay, start reading.
Dinesh Limited issued 5,000 shares for ₹1 each at par.
5,000 share at the rate of
100.
100. Okay, next.
Payable as follows.
Payable as follows. Just make like that. Peer allotment, first call, second call. Okay, give the rate.
On application 25 rupees. On allotment 25 rupees. On first call 20 and on final call 30.
Same question I reading now.
Only
20 and 30. Okay, then
Anil holding 100 shares paid to pay the amount of allotment and first call, and his share was fortified after the first call.
okay, wait.
He holding 200 shares.
Now we are going to start with this. 5,000 share into 25. What amount is there? What amount beta? And then here, it's needed beta. It's needed. So I am going to multiply this things. Okay. Now next beta.
Sunil Anil 100 shares fortified paid to pay and 45.
Anil, one is Anil, 100 share, not able to pay allotment and first call beta. Not able to pay allotment and first call. Less that amount. 100 into 25. 2500, 100 into 20. What amount is there beta? 122,500, 98,000. Okay. Then go for the next.
Sunil holding 200 shares.
One more is there. Sunil. Okay beta. Sunil. Sunil is there. And Sunil 200 share beta. Not able to pay.
Not able to pay due on final call.
Final call. It means second. So 200 into 30. That we are doing now. But here is cases like that. After the first call, they are going to forfeit that share. They are saying beta. It means first we are doing for the allotment entry. Second application, then allotment, then first call, then forfeit entry. And after the forfeit entry, we are going to make the second call. Okay? So for table I am going to adjust like that, because after the first call 100 share will forfeit beta. It means here we are calling only less 100 share. Then what amount is there? Number of share? Because 100 share forfeited beta na. So only second call we are going to call on 4900 share. So 4900 into 30. What amount is coming? Tell me fast. 4900 into 30. 137. 47. 147 we are received, huh? And then 200 shareholder not able to pay the second call. It means 200 into 30. What amount is coming beta? It means we are receiving only 141. Now start with the. Okay. You will try the entry or not? I am going to write or you will try? You will try? No. Just see one more question. I am going to do the entries. After you will. First entry beta. Bank account debit to share application, and then share application account debit to share capital. What amount is that? 1,25,000, 1,25,000, 1,25,000, 1,25,000. Okay? Up to this is clear? Go for the second. Then share allotment account debit to share capital. The amount is 1,25,000, 1,25,000. Okay? Then bank account debit calls in error to share allotment. You have to receive 1,25,000, but error is 2,500. Then we are receiving only 1,225. Okay? Up to this is clear. Go for the next. First call. Then again share first call account debit to share capital. That amount is 1 lakh and 1 lakh. And then bank account debit calls in error debit to share first call. 1 lakh. Okay, beta? 2,000 in error, 98,000 in bank. Up to this is any problem? Up to this. Any problem, beta? No? Or yes? Then we are going to forfeit that sales. Okay, beta? Because they are saying after the first call they are going to forfeit the share, Mr. Anil. Okay, we are going to forfeit. Same way, I think same answer will come. Same answer will come from the last question we had done. Share capital account debit to share forfeiture to share allotment to share call. Call में बेटा लोग कितना amount? Just see the amount. Okay, what amount they are receiving? 2,500. What amount? We called 70 into 100. It means 7. Same increase. Up to this is clear? No. Same entry, beta. Here called up money. Called up only 25, 25 and 20. 70 rupees. 70 rupees. Okay. Here received money only 25 rupees are received now. So it means 100 into 25, 2,500. Here not received money. First not received money is 2,500 and second is 2,000. Okay? Clear? Then we are going to call second call. Okay, beta? Now we are going to call the second call. Just see how we are going to call. Share second call account debit to share capital with the amount of 1,47,000. 1,47,000. Okay? Clear? Then we are receiving the money. Then bank account debit calls in error debit to share second call. And we have to receive this amount, but 6,000 is error. Then we are receiving again forfeit or not? Again forfeit. Okay, go for the forfeit. Then share capital account debit to share forfeiture to share second call. And second call is 6,000 na? It's a confirm. 6,000 we are not receiving. Confirm? Full amount we are asking 200 into 10. Sorry, 100. We are asking full amount 25, 25, 20, 30. Full amount we are asking, madam. That means we are going to call full money. So 20 and 200 into 100. Okay. What amount we are receiving in this 2000? This 25 we received. This 25 we received. And this 20. It will 25, 25 and 20, 70. It means 70 into 200. Here 20,000. Here 14,000 and 6,000 are available. Match or not? Match or not? On this way we are going to forfeit the shares. On this way we are going to forfeit the shares. Reissue is there? No. Up to this is clear or not? Clear? Okay.